What's up, guys? Bass Fishing Illinois here, doing some fall bass fishing. I'm here with my dad. He's giving me a look right now because I'm filming. He's over there. He's throwing a shaky head right now. I can't hear him, but he's trying to talk to me. I've got a Money Minnow Swimbait going, and Yum 6-inch dinger. What? He said don't put me on, but I'm putting him on anyway. Okay, so I think I got a 3-aught Gamakatsu hook, 6-inch Yum dinger, blah blah blah. Fishing this local pond. Bunch of fish just jumped up over there and over there. So let's see if we can get some pictures for me. What's up, guys? Bass Fishing Illinois here. Just fishing the series of ponds. Little tiny pond about the size of my driveway. Pull out this guy. Second fish I pull out of this little one right here. Same about this size. Trying to find my scale.
How much?
So maybe 0 it. £2 even.
Fish.
There we go. Alright, so I'm throwing I don't know where it is. Little Yum Money Minnow. I think it's a 2-aught weighted hook, swim bait. So I'm gonna get him back in. Good. See if we can get some more.